Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for events on the Meetup application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the explore button down below, which is the second option. After that, start typing in something, and then here you can find these filters. So tap on this button, and here you can sort by the date, such as all upcoming events starting soon, today, tomorrow, this week, and so on. So tap on the relevant one. You can also add the filter about the venue type, such as online or in person, then the distance, and if you are done with adding all these, click on the apply button down below, and here you are going to find the results. So just simply browse among the results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.